Hello, my name's Carl Ennis and I'm the CEO of Siemens in the UK. I started my engineering career at the age of 16, took an apprenticeship and progressed through engineering over the course of the next 30 years. I've been really lucky to work with some of the biggest organisations the last 25 years with Siemens. So I think when people think about engineering, we immediately think about the traditional engineering skills, mechanical or electrical, civil, chemical. Is those key and core skills will be required going forward. For that, we're starting to see development of new skills, whether it be green, how we decarbonise our systems, our transport, heat, energy systems. And digitalisation, where we're seeing a great move into to enhancing and embracing the use of very, very powerful computer systems, data analytics, artificial intelligence, and as engineers we need to be embracing those skills. Those people, if most people's initial perspective is that engineering is grubby and you get your hands dirty and you wear blue overalls, engineering isn't just like that. It's far broader than that. I started as a 16-year-old as an apprenticeship, and I'm now the CEO of Siemens, which is an €8 billion organisation in the UK with 16,000 employees. So it's possible to get right from the bottom right to the top of an engineering organisation, and that can be sometimes very difficult to do in other disciplines. So there are really some really exciting reasons to be enthusiastic about engineering. As someone who left school at 16 and took a vocational and apprenticeship route myself, I'm often asked about, what recommendations would you give, or guidance would you give to people entering the world of work at that age now? And it's difficult because at the age of 16 you probably don't really know what you want to be. Then make sure that you get the cornerstones of English and maths. Try and choose subjects that engage you, that you're enthusiastic about. There is the opportunity in later life to vary your career path slightly. So I wouldn't overly worry about the decision you're making now. That there are opportunities to change your direction as you progress and develop. But I would say try and do something that really engages you and you're enthusiastic about. And it's difficult to go far wrong if you do that. The road that I lived at the end of the street, there was a guy who was a mechanic, and he had a small garage. Every now and again he'd show me a little bit of what he was doing, and then ultimately I worked there over some summer periods, and I saw firsthand the impact he had on somebody who often was distraught and bringing a car to him that had broken down and they'd no idea of how it worked, and he would bring it back to life for them and solve their problems. And I think I wanted to be able to do that, to solve people's problems. And I think that inquisitive nature, that wondering how something works, that ability to fix something can actually be really, really useful for things much broader than just your career.